Hello friends, let us now quickly revise the folded version of the basic signals. Folded version of the basic signals. Okay. Now, suppose actually xt is equal to del t. Then x of minus t, the time reversal version or folded version, time folded version. Actually, folded version means here with respect to time folded version. Okay. Del of minus t. Now, if del t is this, del of minus t is what? You just imagine a mirror here, again you will find same function or same side. That means here if it is del t, this is del of minus t. Try to understand. Now suppose xt is equal to, quickly I am revising u of minus t. X of minus t is equal to u of minus t. So now how to sketch? This is your ut, now this is your u of minus t. Try to understand. This is 1, this is 1. Now suppose xt is equal to rt. Then x of minus t is equal to r of minus t. So how to sketch? You know, this is your RT. Imagine a mirror here. Then the reflection you will find this R of minus T. This is the reflection. This is the what is the reflection? You just sketch. This is the reflection. Now xt is equal to suppose pt. Now x of minus t is equal to p of minus t. That means you know this is your time axis. This is your parabolic function pt. Now imagine a mirror here. The reflection you will find just like this. Okay. Now xt is equal to suppose your signum t, sgn t. Now x of minus t, that is your sgn minus t. Okay, so you know the signum function. This is your signum function. This is 1, this is minus 1. Now if you imagine a mirror here, just imagine a mirror, you will find this side reflected this side reflected this side. That means this is your signum of t, this is your signum of minus t. Now suppose xt is equal to sampling t. Sampling t. So now x of minus t, that is equal to sampling of minus t. So now how to sketch? This is your sampling function, you know, this is your sampling function. Sampling function starts in this manner and the lobes gradually reduces, but this value pi, this value 2 pi. So this is sampling function. Now if you sketch the sampling of minus t, that means imagine a mirror here, again you will find the same sketch. Again you will find the same sketch. Okay. So similarly, you can sketch for sinc function, that is sinc t. Suppose xt is equal to sinc t, then how to get the sinc of minus t or x of minus t. So now suppose actually xt, see here, xt is equal to sinc t. Now what is x of minus t? That is your sinc of minus t. Now sinc function, that is known to you, same as sampling function, same shape as sampling function, but here it is 2, 1, it is 2, it is minus 1, it is minus 2. So now see, here if you put a mirror over this axis, imagine a mirror, you will find the same reflection, same shape, this is 1, this is 2, this is minus 1, this is minus 2. So this is your sinc of minus t. Now suppose your xt is equal to e to the minus at t. Now x of minus t, from mathematics it is very obvious, e to the minus a of minus t, that is equal to e to the power at t. So that means again you will find same shape. So now see here, e to the minus at t. So this is exponentially decaying function. So similarly, again here what you will find? Exponentially rising, e to the at t, sorry, it is e to the minus at t, it is e to the at t, that means rising function. So otherwise if you imagine a mirror, this side reflected this side reflected this side. In this way you will find actually the folded version of the signal. Okay. Now suppose xt is equal to sin omega t. It is very simple. Say very simple. X of minus t is equal to sine of omega of minus t. Now this is sine minus omega t. Now this is your sine minus sine omega t. Otherwise, what we will do? This is your time axis. Now see here. This is your sine function. You know this is sine function. Now if you imagine a mirror here, then this side becomes this side. This side becomes this reflection. So that means you will find here in the origin, at the origin this is rising, at the origin this is falling. Okay, just remember. So similarly you can sketch for cosine signal. It is very simple. You can sketch for cosine signal. Suppose you are having a cos signal. Cos signal is what? Suppose xt is equal to cos omega t. Then what is the x of minus t? This is your cos of omega of minus t. Now actually this is cos of minus omega t. And you know cos of minus omega t is equal to cos omega t. That means this is same. If you take the folded version, in case of cos, the signal will not change. This is cosine signal. Now after folding or after making time reversal operation, same signal you will find, same signal you will find. In case of cos, same signal you will find. Okay. So any signal you have, you can plot the folded version of the signal. Suppose you are having this signal xt is equal to a rect t by tau. Now this is your time axis. Now x of minus t you have to sketch a rect minus t by tau. Now see here. So this is your minus tau by 2 to tau by 2. This is your a. I have discussed already this rectangular pulse. Now if you imagine a mirror, this is your time axis actually. If you imagine a mirror, again you will find the same shape, minus tau by 2 to tau by 2. This is your a. Now suppose xt is equal to a triangular t by tau. Now here both side width, total width is tau, but here one side width. Now x of minus t you have to sketch. This is a triangular minus t by tau. So how to sketch it? It is very simple. This is your time axis. This is your triangular pulse minus tau tau. Here one side width is tau. One side width is tau. Now if you sketch x of minus t, again we will find the same sketch. If you put the mirror, this side reflected this side reflected in this one. So that means you will find minus tau to tau. Again you will find actually this is x of minus t and this is your x of t. Try to understand. So now any signal you have, you can easily sketch the reflection. Reflection means you can easily sketch the folded version of the signal or time reversal of that signal. Time reversal of that signal. Okay. Now suppose you are having another signal. Suppose you are having, you can say x of t is equal to mod t. Then how to sketch? It is very simple. So x of minus t. So that is your minus t mod. From mathematics it is also t mod. No problem. Again if you mark, this is mod t plot I did already. So this is mod t plot. Now if you put a mirror here, imagine a mirror here, then this side reflected in this manner, this side reflected in this, again you are getting same plot. Okay. So now suppose xt is equal to e to the power minus mod t. E to the minus mod t. Again you know x of minus t, suppose you want to find out, this is e to the minus mod of minus t. Again you will find same value, this is e to the power minus mod t. E to the minus mod t. So now that means if you consider this is time axis, this is your e to the minus mod t. I have already plotted. So this is e to the minus mod t. So now if you put a mirror here, then you will find this side reflected in this manner, this side reflected in this manner. Okay, that means you are getting the same shape, Okay. So whatever the signal you have, you can easily plot the time reversal of that signal, by imagining a mirror, both sided mirror on the vertical axis. Suppose I am having xt is equal to e to the minus pi t square. So this is suppose Gaussian pulse. So now x of minus t, this is e to the minus pi minus t square. That means again e to the minus pi t square. Again we are getting same equation, means the same curve we will find. So here you just mark, this is your time axis, Gaussian pulse is just like this. This is your Gaussian signal. Now if you imagine a mirror here, then again you will find same shape. That means there is no change in shape if you consider actually x of minus t in case of Gaussian signal. Okay. So whatever the signal you have, you can easily find out the folded version of the signal, or you can easily draw the time reversal of that signal. Okay. In my next discussion, I will discuss other operations on the signals. Okay. Thank you.